Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that every content marketer should be aware of, the future of content marketing. Content marketing has become an integral part of every business's marketing strategy, and it's constantly evolving. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game, you need to be aware of the latest trends and predictions. Let me start with an anecdote. A few years ago, I remember attending a conference where a marketing expert predicted that video content would become the dominant form of content marketing in the future. And guess what? He was absolutely right. Video marketing has exploded in popularity over the past few years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. But what's next? What can we expect in 2023 and beyond? Well, today, I'm going to share with you some exciting predictions and trends that will shape the future of content marketing. Personalization will become even more important. Personalization has been a buzzword in the marketing industry for a while, and it's not going away anytime soon. According to a recent study, 80% of consumers are more likely to do business with a company that offers personalized experiences. In 2023, we can expect to see even more personalized content, tailored to the specific needs and interests of individual consumers. Personalization has become an essential aspect of content marketing, as it allows businesses to create more targeted and relevant content for their audience. By leveraging data and insights on consumer behavior, businesses can craft personalized messages that resonate with their audience and drive engagement. In 2023, we can expect to see even more emphasis on personalization, as consumers continue to demand tailored experiences. One of the key drivers of this trend will be advancements in technology that allow for more sophisticated data collection and analysis. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze consumer behavior to predict their preferences and interests, allowing businesses to deliver more personalized content. Another factor driving the need for personalization is the increasing competition in the content marketing landscape. With so much content available, businesses need to find ways to stand out and capture the attention of their audience. Personalization can help businesses differentiate themselves by providing content that is more relevant and valuable to their audience. Overall, personalization will continue to be a critical aspect of content marketing in 2023 and beyond. Businesses that prioritize personalization will be better positioned to build relationships with their audience and drive meaningful engagement. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, will take off. AR and VR have been around for a while, but they're just starting to make their way into the world of content marketing. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume content. For example, imagine being able to try on clothes or test drive a car through your smartphone using our technology. In 2023, we can expect to see more brands using AR and VR to create immersive, engaging experiences for their customers. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are becoming more accessible and affordable, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. With the increasing availability of AR and VR devices, more brands will have the opportunity to create interactive and immersive experiences for their customers. AR and VR have the potential to transform the way we create and consume content. For example, our technology can be used to create interactive product demos, allowing customers to visualize how a product would look and feel in real life. This can be particularly useful in industries such as fashion and home decor, where customers want to see how products will look in their own homes before making a purchase. VR, on the other hand, can be used to create fully immersive experiences, such as virtual showrooms, where customers can explore products in a simulated environment. VR can also be used to create interactive storytelling experiences, where customers can engage with a brand's story in a more immersive and engaging way. According to a recent study, 62% of consumers would feel more engaged with a brand that uses AR and VR technology. This highlights the potential of these technologies to create more memorable and impactful experiences for customers. As AR and VR technologies continue to evolve and become more accessible, we can expect to see more brands using them to create engaging and immersive experiences for their customers. This trend will not only enhance the customer experience but also provide businesses with new opportunities to showcase their products and services in a more interactive and dynamic way. Content will become more interactive. Consumers today are looking for more than just passive content. They want to engage with brands and be a part of the conversation. That's why we can expect to see more interactive content in the future, such as quizzes, polls, and surveys. Interactive content not only helps to engage consumers, but it also provides valuable insights into their preferences and behaviors. Content marketing is evolving, and interactive content is becoming more popular than ever. Today's consumers want to be actively involved in the content they consume, and interactive content offers them that opportunity. As such, we can expect to see more businesses incorporating interactive content into their content marketing strategy in 2023. Interactive content can take many forms, including quizzes, polls, surveys, games, and calculators, among others. These types of content allow consumers to engage with brands in a more dynamic and personalized way. For example, a quiz can help consumers determine which product or service is right for them, while a poll can give them a voice in a brand's decision-making process. Interactive content not only engages consumers but also provides valuable insights into their preferences and behaviors. By analyzing the data generated by interactive content, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their audience and tailor their marketing efforts accordingly. In fact, according to a recent survey, 88% of marketers believe that interactive content is effective in differentiating their brand from competitors, while 79% believe that it enhances brand messaging. Interactive content is also highly shareable, which can help businesses extend their reach and increase brand awareness. By creating content that is not only engaging but also easily shareable, businesses can amplify their message and attract new audiences. In summary, interactive content is a trend that is here to stay. In 2023, we can expect to see more businesses incorporating interactive content into their marketing strategies, as it offers a powerful way to engage consumers and gain valuable insights into their preferences and behaviors. Voice search will become more important. Voice search has been on the rise for the past few years, and it's only going to get bigger. According to a recent study, 55% of households are expected to have a smart speaker by 2022. That means more people will be using voice search to find the content they're looking for. In 2023, we can expect to see more content optimized for voice search, such as long-tail keywords and conversational language. Voice search is changing the way people find information and interact with technology. With the increasing popularity of smart speakers and voice assistants, more people are using voice search to find the content they're looking for. As such, businesses need to optimize their content for voice search to remain competitive in 2023. One of the key differences between voice search and traditional search is that people tend to use more conversational language when using voice search. For example, instead of typing best pizza places near me into a search engine, someone using voice search might say, "What are the best pizza places near me?" This means that businesses need to optimize their content with long-tail keywords and conversational language to ensure it appears in voice search results. According to a recent study, voice commerce sales are projected to reach $40 billion by 2022. This highlights the importance of optimizing content for voice search, as it can help businesses reach a growing audience of voice search users. In addition to optimizing content for voice search, businesses can also create content specifically for voice assistants, such as creating a custom Alexa skill or Google Assistant action. This type of content allows businesses to provide users with a more personalized and engaging experience, and can help to build brand loyalty. Voice search is becoming more important than ever, and businesses need to optimize their content accordingly. By using conversational language and long-tail keywords, businesses can ensure their content appears in voice search results and reach a growing audience of voice search users. Additionally, creating custom content for voice assistants can help businesses provide users with a more personalized and engaging experience, which can help to build brand loyalty. Content will be more socially responsible. Consumers today are more socially aware than ever before. They want to do business with companies that align with their values and beliefs. In 2023, we can expect to see more brands taking a stand on social issues and creating content that reflects their values. Brands that ignore social responsibility will risk losing customers and damaging their reputation. In recent years, there has been a growing demand from consumers for companies to take a more socially responsible approach to business. Consumers today are more socially aware and want to do business with companies that align with their values and beliefs. As such, businesses need to ensure that their content reflects their values and demonstrates their commitment to social responsibility. In 2023, we can expect to see more brands taking a stand on social issues and creating content that reflects their values. This could include creating content that highlights their efforts to reduce their carbon footprint, promote diversity and inclusion, or support charitable causes. According to a study by Cone Communications, 87% of consumers would purchase a product based on a company's advocacy on a social issue. This highlights the importance of social responsibility in content marketing and the potential impact it can have on a brand's reputation and bottom line. Brands that ignore social responsibility risk losing customers and damaging their reputation. In today's highly connected world, consumers have the power to amplify their opinions and hold brands accountable for their actions. By taking a socially responsible approach to content marketing, businesses can build trust with their customers and differentiate themselves from their competitors. In conclusion, social responsibility is a trend that is here to stay. In 2023, we can expect to see more brands taking a stand on social issues and creating content that reflects their values. Businesses that ignore social responsibility risk losing customers and damaging their reputation. By demonstrating their commitment to social responsibility, businesses can build trust with their customers and differentiate themselves from their competitors. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 5 exciting predictions and trends for the future of content marketing. As a content marketer, it's important to stay ahead of the curve and be aware of these trends. By embracing these changes and adapting your strategy, you can create content that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your marketing goals. Remember, the future of content marketing is all about engaging with your audience, providing personalized experiences, and staying socially responsible. So, let's get ready to create some amazing content that will inspire and motivate our audience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next.